every day is the best time to go on a vacation. Woo! Canyon Hotels and Resorts Boracay is located in Station B, along Boracay Island's main highway after Station 1. Just arrived here in Boracay. Are you ready for an adventure? Let's go! Checking in with warmth and efficiency, the staff ensures I feel right at home. As I stepped into the room, I was captivated with every feature designed for relaxation and indulgence. Let's go shopping! Woo! From unwinding to shopping, this hotel offers it all. It is also a perfect place for shopping enthusiasts. No need to go far. With the shops at Station B, you can get all your needs, whether it's personal supplies, me time, groceries, medicine, and food. There are also several dining options at the mall. Thank you.
Are you ready for an adventure? Let's go!
It's so nice to discover and experience this beautiful paradise. Whether unwinding by the pool, relaxing in your room, or even shopping, this hotel offers it all. Start your escape to paradise today and create memories to cherish forever. Discover and experience Canyon Hotels and Resorts Boracay and all its unique offerings on your next visit to Boracay Island.